Hello and welcome back to Unlocked, your go-to series for the latest in security solutions from Aldridge Security. Today we're taking a closer look at the Squire Inigma range, a game-changing smart access control system designed for the modern world. Let's dive into the features that make Inigma a must-have for security professionals. The Squire Inigma range includes everything you need for flexible high-security access control, from the robust SS65 and SS50 padlocks to the versatile double and half euro cylinders and the intuitive Inigma smart key system. This range has been engineered to deliver innovation, convenience and strength. Let's talk about why locksmiths and installers love the Inigma system. Smart access control. Manage locks and access rights remotely using the Inigma app on your phone or tablet. Secure encryption, powered by AES 256-bit end-to-end encryption, ensures maximum protection against cyber threats. Comprehensive audit trails. Monitor every interaction with your locks for complete transparency and security compliance. Wireless setup means no hardwiring or expensive authorizers needed. It's low maintenance and easy to install. And rechargeable smart keys with a battery life of up to 3 months. This eliminates the hassle of frequent recharging. At the heart of the Squire Inigma system is the Inigma App, your ultimate tool for managing smart security. Designed for professionals and end users alike, the app offers an intuitive interface packed with powerful features. Here's what the Inigma app lets you do. Seamless device management. Add, activate and manage locks, cylinders and smart keys directly from your smartphone or tablet. Access control. Grant or revoke access in real time, perfect for dynamic environments like construction sites or multi-tenant properties. Flexible scheduling. Set time restricted access for specific users from hours to days, ensuring security tailored to your needs. Audit logs. Stay compliant and informed with a comprehensive record of every lock interaction. Available for both Android and iOS, the Inigma app ensures you're always connected to your security system, no matter where you are. Whether it's syncing your smart key, updating permissions, or checking the status of devices, the app makes managing your security simple and efficient. For professionals, the Inigma system is a dream to work with. Setup is fast and intuitive, saving you time on every job. Grant access in seconds, whether it's for a trusted employee, contractor, or even a one-time visitor. Lost or stolen keys? No problem. The system's automatic blacklist protects your clients instantly. It's security made simple, all managed through the Inigma app. At Aldridge, we're proud to bring you one of the best in smart security solutions. The Squire Inigma range is designed for professionals like you, delivering reliability, innovation and peace of mind. Whether you're securing retail spaces, industrial sites, residential properties, Inigma is the flexible, future-proof solution that you need. It's suitable for a wide variety of environments. Secure containers and gates on construction sites, control access in retail and healthcare facilities, streamline security for residential and multi-tenant properties. Wherever security matters, Inigma delivers. Ready to secure smarter? Explore the Squire Inigma range now at aldridgesecurity.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional insights, product demos and exclusive content. Thanks for watching Unlocked. See you next time.